Oh, it's for this area, okay. Oh, it's for Warren County, yeah. Okay, we got an SBR, nice.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County, northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County until 9:15 p.m.
Oh my gosh, no way.
At 8:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Bloomsbury.
Let's go, dude. We got an SBR high.
Sorry. Locations affected include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Ketchtown, Chatham, Lewiston, Wharton.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Morris Plains, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, High Bridge, Mount Arlington, Mendham, Mountain Lakes, High Bridge.
Let's go, dude. The first SBR.
Gladstone, in Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, and Warren.